rough day.
Am I in trouble?
I can't imagine what it must be like for you. We need to reevaluate your role.
What? I'm the one that's baiting everybody out.
You're leading the team to increasingly dangerous places.
I can handle myself, that's clear.
We feel it would be better
I cannot believe you're doing this.
if you were armed.
You're giving me a firearm.
You'll need to pass field certification, of course, but from what I hear, that won't be a problem.
Some on the team? Seriously?
All special agents assisted. We don't know what happened to you, but we feel you should be part of figuring it out.
I don't know what to say. I won't disappoint you. I want to figure this out as much as anyone.
They trust you, so I trust you. Don't let me down.
I won't. Thank you.
Okay.